Okay, I'm back from pooping. Okay, so I will tell you something. I pooped, but I will not show you. Okay, my poop sized 4 stomachs. Okay, or maybe 3. So I have 2 full stomachs again. So I can't eat this all and drink. Okay, this is Coca-Cola tasty. April, tissue pala! Eh, meron pa dito eh. April! Toilet paper, please! April! Okay, it's time for my dish 3. I will wait for the toilet paper. Okay, so that's my dish 3. April? 1 is not enough because it's still wet.
Ano ba ginagawa mo?
I'm eating. Can I have another? Can I have 2 pieces?
Bakit nagkakalat ka?
Hindi ako nagkakalat. You know that?
You know that. Nagkakalat eh. Wala tayong muna.
I'm just eating, not making a mess.
Or you're talking so long.
Are you serious? Lol!
Oo. Natunaw na. May iba na akong pinakain ulit. Hindi pa rin siya.
Okay. Okay, 2 must be enough. Let's just clean. Wow, it's really dry, April. Thank you. Sabi mo you're welcome. April, sabi mo you're welcome. April, sabi mo you're welcome. Okay, it's time for my dish 3.
Magsa-sunset na, nandiyan ka pa.
I don't care. It's just sunset.
It's past 3. Did you start eating at 2 o'clock? Or not yet 2 o'clock?
Nope, 2:39.
Tanda ko, bumili tayo ng tubig na inumin. Wala pang 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
Kaya sabi ko wala pang 1 o'clock. Baka pwede naman nang tapos na yung break time nila. O. Tanda ko yun.
Yep.
Sabay naiyak na aso sa likod ba? Diyan sa harap.
But I hear it from the back.
May naiyak din dito. Dalian mo dyan.
Yeah!
Kagatin na nalanggam yung pet mo, nandiyan ka pa rin.
Kung na nga makagat ka din.
Tingnan mo yung kinainan, oh. Hindi man lang mailigpit, hindi na naguhugas.
Okay.